Afade and hello guys. Today we're doing another virtual 4K driving tour here in Tamuning. We're just passing GPO. Look at this cool wall. We're just passing GPO, Guam Premier Outlets. We're right on the back part of it. We're gonna show you the residential areas, residential streets of Tamuning. Since I've gotten so much requests for Tamuning and to show the streets of Tamuning. Little crazy potholes over there. But yeah, let's go check out the streets on this virtual driving tour of Tamuning. We're gonna also head towards the hospital and do Fahrenheit Avenue area as well, just to show you these beautiful streets of Tamuning. Kind of crazy. I know this area is called Socio Drive, something like that. I'm not sure about the street names. As you know, Typhoon Maywar kind of blew out all the names. We'll go show you more cool sights, and I'll put the names of the street down later on. You'll see it in the video on the bottom left, bottom right corner, just for you guys. This is a big bump, speed bump. What I do know about Tamuning is this is my hometown. You know, I grew up in Tamuning when I was a kid, so these streets are pretty familiar to me. I used to also like bike around here, get in trouble as a kid for biking all over here, you know, from my parents and so forth. This building here, it's new. It's a beautiful, I guess, apartment condo area. You could also take this right here, which will lead you to Cautious area, just on my right there. We're not heading there. We're gonna kind of do a zigzag on this spot. So also you get to see, like, you know, different types of apartments, houses, and the area here. Right in front of me, there's a Kids & Co. It's opening soon. We're gonna take this left because it kind of loops. All of these streets here kind of loop. Just so you know, they loop around. Only certain streets that you'll take here will bring you to a dead end. So this street, if you go straight in, it should just bring you to a dead end before the turn. We're gonna take that first turn. We'll take the right. Oh, crazy bumps here. But these are the area. These are the houses, and this is Tamuning. Kind of bumpy, a lot of things. We're just passing pre-C condominiums. It looks like some people are cleaning up here. Very cool. Morning. Half a day, guys. Thank you. Kind of bumpy. Boom. Oh yeah. Over the decades, Tamuning has become such a popular place with a lot of condos. I don't know if you guys are noticing. There's a lot of condos here. A lot of condos, a lot of apartments. If you go straight, it's a dead end. We're gonna take this turn right here. And then you can also take this this road straight ahead. But like I said, I'm gonna loop out. I'm gonna loop into every road. So every turn we're gonna turn into, and we'll probably come out there again. We just want to show you the area. We'll take this right over here, just to show you all of the streets. These are the houses of Tamuning and how their streets look and more. I hope you guys are doing good. This place doesn't look like it's been that crazy affected by Typhoon Maywar. But it's almost 3 months of Typhoon Maywar hitting Guam, and also yeah, it's been crazy the past it's crazy. It's a lot of potholes. Sorry about that. It's been crazy the past days. Recently, I've heard that Maui has had some crazy fires, which is kind of like a weird kind of thing for Maui, you know, having all these fires, even reached boats in the water. A lot of people have died. So my prayers and my hearts go out to you, to the people of Maui. Got Sunset Court condominiums on my right, Sagata on my left of these condos. We're gonna take this left here again because we're zigzagging through every street here. We got Hacienda Villa over there. But yeah, like I want to say is I hope the people of Maui are good, and I hope you guys recover quick. I don't know what happened or what's going on with those fires and how a lot of people lost their lives as well as their homes, their cars, and I know like it's just crazy seeing all of that stuff, and it's very heartbreaking, you know. Crazy bump here. Yeah, these are cool. These are cool apartments over here. Whoa. So yeah, there's a lot of apartments here as well. Looks a lot like I know a lot of let's say Koreans and Japanese people usually stay at this area in Tamuning, like these condos, apartments. I'm not sure why, but they choose to stay here. I think it's easier for them. It reminds them of this city. So this is if you go straight, there's a loop here that brings you kind of out. But this is another way on the right that would take us back to a way. But we're going left here in Encia Street. Oops. Encia Street it is. We're taking Encia Street right here. We could also go right to show you more, or we could go left to show you more of. It's all the same, but we'll take this way. We'll take this left here, and then we'll take a right. Tamuning Garden Villa right across. Straight ahead, it curves around to this street. This way right here is actually gonna bring you to let's make this guy go first. He's like, oh, there's people doing work. I'm not sure if that's Docomo repairing our lines. Very tight roads, because in the past all the people's cars weren't giant SUVs or big ass cars. It was all miniature cars. So right now this street here is called Al Dunca Street, but we're not going to go turn in there. We're just going straight because we're heading into Fahrenholt. This is Menengov Mart on my right here, and then this is Menengov Mart, and on my left there's also another grocery store here. It's called Joy Market. Can't really see it, but yeah, it's called Joy Market. Also, this is Oka, kind of. The area here is called Oka. Oka Payless. On my right over there is St. Anthony. We're heading left here to Oka Payless. Oka Payless area. This is more of like almost more businesses in this area here in Tamuning. If you take that left over here, it'll bring you to Onward, which is also now called Ringa Hotel. It kind of changed. This is Oka Payless on my right. There's also all these other stores, Perisco and more. We're taking the right here. If you go straight, it'll lead you also into Sheraton, which is also called, I forgot the hotel name, but I think it's that one's Ringa, but I'm not so sure. But yeah, we're heading into this way. On my left is Guam Medical Plaza. We'll take this left here, and this road leads you to the hospital, but we're taking this left called Acho. This is like an Acho street right here. These streets actually also lead you to Oka Point, Jonestown, and more. There's gonna be a turn here coming up. We're gonna take that turn. We're just gonna keep looping into turns, just so you get to see. This is more of like the nicer residential areas here in Tamuning. Beautiful view on my left. But yeah, these are like more of the nicer residential, I think richer, I would say, more richer people in Tamuning would live here or get houses in this area. All right, so there's like this kind of a weird four-way, but we're if you take the straight way in there, it'll lead you into those Oka Towers, and you can take this left here that brings you down into that what's that? That hotel as well. But we're gonna take this way in, and then take the right. We won't take this right. We'll take the next right. But all these roads here, they're kind of like interconnected. They'll lead you in and out of streets towards the hospital. We'll take this right. We're gonna come out through there again, and we'll come around back over here. But yeah, I like also the street here. The road here is looking actually really nice. There is no potholes and more. I hope you guys are also enjoying this virtual tour. If I'm driving too fast, my apologies. If it's too shaky, my apologies. This is an unplanned route of Tamuning, but I figured people, the viewers that do watch, they do ask for Tamuning drives. They want more of like, a more better drive. This road is actually fairly new. A few years back, this was a little more crustier, like really crusty road. Maybe a few years back, or maybe a decade back. But I remember driving here a while back, and it was ugly. So this road is almost like one of the main roads that can take you into the hospital. Also, the mental hospital is just over there too. We'll take the next left here, so we can come out of Oka Point. This is Tamuning Villa on my right, and on my left here that we're taking is called Vivian Way. This road should take you straight to like Oka Point area, Jonestown area. Shout outs to all the homies from Jonestown and Tamuning and Oka. Shout out to them. Thomas Street is on my right. Yeah. Also, I haven't been putting out random vlogs for you guys, or random videos of Guam. It's only because I've been doing research and preparing for my up and coming trips. So I hope you guys are still, cool with that and supporting the channel. Yeah, you're gonna get like Philippines, you're gonna get Japan trips. Maybe I'll do virtual walks or live stream walks. Only, of course, on Guam we're doing these what's this called? Virtual drives. So yeah, right here, this road here on my left would take you to Oka Point, but we're not heading there. We're just doing this loop right here around. And right now, this is these apartments. These are fairly new also. These condos and stuff. Boom. But look how big it is. These high-rise condo apartments. It's beautiful because if you have the other backside of it, you get to see the ocean, the out view to Pacific, not Pacific Ocean. Yeah, you get to see the Pacific Ocean, of course, but you get to see the route towards facing towards like Japan and Philippines. That's cool. And then if you keep taking this road, we're gonna lead you into the Guam Memorial Hospital. Shout outs to all the first responders and all the doctors and all the nurses, everybody that works hard through the pandemic and just helping people out medically and more. Shout outs to them right there. This is a Guam Memorial Hospital, and we're gonna take this way out to the loop, and then we'll end the live we'll end this vlog, this virtual driving tour of Guam Tamuning there. I'll take this left here, but that's the road that we were taking earlier, straight down, brings you to the hospital, also brings you to Oka. So yeah, there's all these other clinics around here. There's like a I forgot what it was, it was a dental clinic that I went around here. They removed my what's that called, wisdom teeth. There's also like a cool hidden food truck over here on my right. If you can't see it, it's a cool hidden food truck. So if you're ever in the hospital, or you're waiting for someone or visiting someone, there's some grub there that you can grab. But yeah, this is a Guam Memorial Hospital, and we're gonna end this virtual driving tour at the loop. again, thank you guys for watching, for supporting this channel. Leave a like if you did, for liking the video, and also, you know, commenting your thoughts of stuff or your memories of the place down below. If you have any like fond memories of it or whatever, Tamuning, for you know, just for free, just drop it down below, man. Comment down below. My name is Mark. I want to thank you guys for joining me on this virtual driving tour around Tamuning residential area and Oka Point, or Oka residential area as well, and the hospital. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for joining me. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. I'm out.